Why to buy a new car? To buy a new car, they're expensive, but they often come with a lot better bodywork, like such as your body lines. You'll have more body lines, which makes it stronger, and that will also make it a little bit more aerodynamic. And a lot of these new cars that come out with DVD players, from anything to a car charger, and many other options.
Newer cars have better safety precautions, like the frame absorbs more shock and transfers force away from the passengers, and sensors to help deploy the supplement restraints, aka airbags. Newer cars have more efficient motors for better fuel economy and reach higher speeds quicker and easier. Newer cars also have more gauges to help monitor speed, capacity, and temperature.
Newer cars weigh less, which also allow them to be more efficient while keeping the integrity of the supports and allowing them to be stronger in a crash. Newer cars have more cab space and room for occupants, while also having more trunk space and still having less weight for the
As an
car.
added bonus with a larger trunk space, it allows you to have more safety equipment such as spare removal and roadside assistance. According to consumersreport.org, drivers of a 20-year or older car are 70% more likely to die rather than a driver of a 5-year or newer car.